This video is going to show you how to do a table of contents in your project. This is my table of contents in my project that I've created. Cats make better pets than dogs. The contents is the introduction, the content of it, talking about different types of cats and dogs and their behaviors. And then it is going to talk a little bit about the conclusion then as well. So let's just have a look. So you can tell this is actually created automatically using only the PC version of Word. So unfortunately we can't do it on the online version, as the table of contents in the reference tab of the online version is grayed out. So that might be updated, but at the moment and at the time of recording it's not possible. So this table of contents is actually created automatically by picking up the heading styles that I have inserted into the document. My first heading style is introduction, and that's style 1, and types of cats is also style 1. And then style 2 is the subheadings of the style 1. So as you can see, types of cats would be my main heading, and then my subheadings: short hair, long hair, bald cats. Then types of dogs and the subheadings of all the types of dogs. Then my main heading: behaviors of cats, and then talk about the behaviors. And then my conclusion is another main heading. And you can see what it looks like in my document. So there, they are all blue. That's what automatically appears. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to do that. So this is what the document looks like before I added my headings. So introduction, I'm just going to, here's a quick tip: triple click on the word or sentence you want to make into a heading, or you want to highlight. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm choosing heading 1 because it is a main heading. 1, 2, 3, types of cats, heading 1. And I'm going to center it. 1, 2, 3. Styles menu is also here. I'm going to say heading 2. I'm going to page down. 1, 2, 3. Styles, heading 2, because it's a subheading. 1, 2, 3. Styles, heading 2. Let's double check. Got them all there. And then types of dogs, that's going to be heading 1. 1, 2, 3. Heading 1. Center it. Moving down. Go to my first type of dog, miniature dog. 1, 2, 3. That is heading 2. 1, 2, 3. Heading 2. And I think the rest of the document is done. Okay. Behaviors. 1, 2, 3. Double check that that is heading 1 and center it. Okay, so now we're ready to put in our table of contents. So we click on the top of the page where I want the table of contents to appear. So I'm going to put mine under my title. Go to References, Table of Contents, choose Contents, Automatic Table 1, and then we just move up and we can see it is automatically picked up heading 1, heading 1, heading 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. So it's obviously bolded that because I have that one bolded. So I can fix that down below, or you can fix it here if you want to. You can highlight that. And now there we go. So now you can see all my headings, main headings are bold. My subheadings are not bolded. So that's very quickly how to do a table of contents.